Welcome to week 154 of my renovation on Iris Street. My name's Adam, and this week I do a whole bunch of odds and ends, from fixing a door in the sunroom that was out of square to putting down a bunch of baseboard trim. So, let's get cracking. On Wednesday, I continue last week's stair railing trim. All that's left is this top board. I cut it a little long and then sneak up on the final length before nailing it down with 1,000 nails. It's getting late, but before calling it a night, I'm able to knock out the jambs and trim in bedroom 2. Hey guys, I was really lazy filming tonight, but I put up a bunch of baseboard trim, like you can see behind me. Let me show you what I did. This baseboard trim is primed, but still needs finishing work, which amounts to filling all the nail holes and painting them with an enamel paint. Enamel paint is highly durable, easy to clean, and adds a nice shine. The same enamel paint will be applied to the doors and all door casings and trim. I still have to do a bedroom, the office, the front room, and a few rooms downstairs, so you'll see me doing more trim tomorrow. Today, the results of my color consultation with the color concierge arrived. I've been struggling to pick specific colors for the exterior, so I broke down and hired some professionals. Let me walk you through all the things they provided me with. For starters, my painting company uses Sherwin-Williams products exclusively, so the color concierge worked within the Sherwin-Williams brand as well. The color concierge asked me for photos of my house as well as my neighbors to ensure their suggestions would blend harmoniously. They asked me to specify a general color goal, which was perfect because I knew I wanted a blue exterior and white trim, leaving the brown wooden door unpainted. The consultation suggested these 3 whites, pointing out that most people make the mistake of getting a pure white, which looks good indoors, but way too bright outside. From here, 4 options were provided, each with varying color options for the exterior, the trim and soffits, and the doors. Even though I won't be getting the doors painted, it's nice to have some options in case I change my mind. From here, the PDF goes through some general painting suggestions, such as painting the gutters and downspouts to match the adjacent exteriors, grades of paint quality, the appropriate paint to use on brick, which is actually a masonry stain that allows the brick to breathe, and some general tips for testing paint colors. I can't tell you what a relief it was to have some professional help zeroing in on the exterior colors. The consultation cost me about $200, but compared to the cost of the whole project, it wasn't that much, and I'm really glad I hired Michelle and her team. I plan to paint the exterior only once, so I want to get it right the first time. With color options moving along nicely, I turned my attention to the garage, adding this temporary shelf. I have big plans for the shop, but right now, I just need some basic organization and storage. On Saturday, Dad came up to help me with this door. When I installed it, I didn't know what I was doing, and it came out pretty dang crooked. It was actually so crooked that the deadbolt wouldn't engage, so we completely removed it, properly shimmed the jambs to be square and level, and put the doors back in. The end result is night and day better. The doors align, and the deadbolt easily engages. In the afternoon, Dad and I work on this basement door jamb. Out of the 11 new doors I ordered, somehow I ordered one backwards. To fix the swing direction, we had to make a new jamb with the hinge mounts on the other side. Using this door jig, the job was quick and easy. I finished the day by laying down the vinyl floor in the sunroom. This could have happened a long time ago, but I was waiting to fix the exterior door alignment before tackling this project. On Sunday, I tackle some painting prerequisites while the sun is still out, namely adding new downspouts to the porch and to the backyard. I need these installed now so that they'll get painted along with the rest of the house. With a few hours of daylight left, I head to Rocky Flats for a run. Fall in Colorado is like nothing else. Warm sunny air, shades of gold and blue, gentle breezes stirring the transforming landscape. Soon, it's gonna be cold and dead out here, so I'm trying to enjoy as many of these afternoons as I can while I can. Back at the house, I had the woodshop door jambs. These were actually intended for my front picture window, but they were too narrow. By a stroke of luck, they're actually the perfect width for this application at 5.5 inches. On Monday, I finally broke down and bought one of these fine plastic hose reels. Now that this door is square, I can finally attach its trim too. It's amazing how many projects it was holding up. Next, I trim out the garage door before finishing the night doing trim work downstairs. On Tuesday, I spent some time outside with the color palettes trying to see how things look in the sun. The Color Concierge provided these full-page swatches for me to experiment with. I moved them around the house in different lighting conditions to get a comprehensive feel for what they're going to look like. In the evening, I'm flipping this door around. Originally, this area was going to be 2 bedrooms, but in the end, I decided that I want one giant master bedroom downstairs. Since I'll only need one door for the bedroom, I'm flipping the other one around so that there can be a small coat closet in the basement. That's a wrap for week 154. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, make sure your jambs are level and square when installing doors.